Hi everyone, this is your girl Coach Shaya. Happy Tuesday. I'm really excited to come to you on this beautiful Tuesday morning. I am officially, again, back in the office after the weekend. And so today is the beginning of our Facebook challenge where I'm going to be teaching you one stream of income for the next 5 days. That's including Saturday. And so thank you for being here and welcome everyone. So please like and share this Facebook Live. Please like and share this Facebook Live. Thank you. Okay, so here's what I want to talk to you about in our first challenge of getting paid doing what you love in our call to do. And I'm going to share with you, hi there, Roberta, how are you? I'm going to talk to you about having your own speaking events. I'm going to talk to you about having your own speaking events, which is an amazing, lucrative stream of income that you can use in your business. So here's the deal. I know a lot of amazing people who are great speakers, great presenters, but never have had their own workshop, seminar, gathering of any type of conference of any type, anything of that sort. And so your desire is to build your speaking career. Yes, good morning. Build your speaking career, build your speaking ministry, get out and share what you do, but you're waiting on, I guess, someone to invite you to their platform. Or you sitting back hoping that, somehow, some way I could get out there and share my message. Or you are in this place of, I want to do it, but I don't know how to do it. I don't know where to go. And this list can go on and on and on and on. I shared last week in a quick video that I did, the number one stream of income that has grew our business. It's my time to rise. Hi, Tanya. The number one business that the number one stream of income that has grew this business is having my own events. I will believe it because I've seen it work for me. And here's why I understand a lot of people are not consistent. You ready for this answer? You are making your events about you. What? Yes. You making this big glim and glam and making it all about who you are, what you do, instead of having an event, workshop, seminar, gathering, intimate settings about solving problems and bringing solutions to your ideal clients. How do I know that to be true? When I first started doing events, I simply wanted to share. I knew enough to share what I wanted to share, but I did not make it really about me. But then I got caught up. Oh yeah. I got caught up doing what everybody was doing, making it, 2-day events. Don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with any of those. There's nothing wrong with that. But in the spirit behind it is what I am talking about. And so because you've made the platform all about you and making your name great, then you don't do the events. You're not consistent because you're not getting the response that you think you're supposed to be getting. And so I am here to tell you, you have a message. You have something to share. You have something to empower people. And guys, if I'm saying something that is inspiring you, I would love some likes and some loves. Give me some love and likes out there. I really would appreciate that. But here's the deal. You have information, you have solutions that can really inspire and change people's lives. And because you do have that, you don't have to wait to go speak at someone else's event. You don't have to wait to speak on someone else's platform. You can have your own platform. Build your own platform. Don't get me wrong. You can still build yourself as a speaker and be on other platforms, but don't wait on someone else to do it for you. Oh, hey there, Elisha. Hey, girl. Yes, girl. Now I know you know. Amen. So the thing is, as you're building and desiring to go out and speak and share, have your own events. Have your own workshop, have your own seminars. And guess what? It doesn't even have to be in a hotel or anything. One of the ladies in our community, her passion is to really teach women how to cook for their health and for their hormones. So she does what you call a table for six in her home. And she does demonstrations on how to cook healthy foods and, do smoothies. Simple things like that, guys. That's considered an event. And from that event, she enrolls clients to work with one-on-one. It doesn't have to be the traditional way of having workshops and seminars. You can create your own type of event that will attract your ideal community and your ideal clients and serve them. Here's another thing I want to share about why events are really a great tool. Before, I used to do offer like a 30-minute consultation or whatever, or a 30-minute discovery session of some sort to let people know how I serve and share my products. Time waster, time waster. Absolutely no more. I will not do it. And it's not because I'm thinking I'm all of that. It is because I have to really protect my time, and I'm very busy. And so I do the intro workshops that I invite people to come. I get to know you, you get to know me. You get to share what you do, and I get to share what I do. And it's a designated time that I can share what we do. So if those of you out there who are having those 30-minute discovery sessions, and don't get me wrong, if that works for your business, great. It does not work for me. It does not work for my business. So I encourage you to have your own intro workshops, intro type of service event. It doesn't have to be long. It could be an hour or an hour and a half of some sort, maybe definitely an hour and a half or more. I wouldn't go past that though. Just count, making sure it's not that long, but an hour and a half. The third thing about having your own speaking events, I consider it right now revenue. It's right now income. So if you're charging $47, $77, so whatever your pricing is, and people register for your event, that is right now income. Right now. Now, yes, you do have to work to offer people to register, invite people to register, get people to sign up. Yes, you do need to do that, but it is right now income. So here's the deal. Somebody is sending me a message. Oh, so here's the deal. Just say, for instance, you are looking to boost your income in your business, and you definitely need to enroll more clients, and you're trying to figure out how to do this. Well, I'm telling you, number one, have your own event. Have your own event, schedule, put it on the calendar, find a venue if it's not your home. It could be a co-working space. We got one here in Greater Sacramento. If it's not a co-working space, it could be a restaurant, or the ones that have the private rooms. Sometimes libraries, you got to be careful with libraries because they do. If you're doing something that costs, they may not want you to do it. There's many other little options that you could do, that you can host your own simple intro workshop. And when you do that, put a price to it. And then at your workshop, you're sharing the intro to your coaching program, your consulting, your training, or whatever you're offering. You could do that. Oh, you know what? Another great way also is online. You could do teleclasses, webinars. Those are considered your own events. Hi, everyone, for coming in. Thank you for being here. Those are considered your own events as well. So there's many tools that you can, or opportunities that you can use. Thank you, Elisha, to have your own events to boost your income so you can start bringing in revenue of where you desire to go, wherever you're going in your business. And guys, this is not limited to just coaching, speaking, or training. even if you are in a multi-level direct marketing sales event, you can have your own event offering your product and services. If you are an author and you want to get your book out there, you could do a book fair and have different ones come, and you do a book fair and sell the books before you come. So it's a registration. So it becomes a workshop. You do a little intro about your book versus just trying to sell your book. There's so many great ideas that you can do to boost your income, to create more streams of income, to save more time, and get your message out to more people. All right? So that is our today's Facebook challenge. Have your own speaking events, boost and build your own platform as you're building your speaking career and ministry. As I shared with you before, it has been number one, hands down, how I grew the business, and I still use them. It is the bedrock of our company, and there's no need in changing it. Let me end this by saying, after I got quit not making the events about me, because you can lose focus and you can get off, but remember that your events is about your ideal client. It's about sharing great information, great content, so they can be inspired to take action and have the tools they need to get where they desire to go. Last thing, I forgot to share this. Okay, I was getting ready to say no free events. I won't quite say no free events, but what I will say is if you do a no-cost event, there needs to be a strategic plan around it. So I wouldn't go promoting free, because you're going to attract people who want free. So you want to make sure that you have a strategic plan around why you're doing intro, free, or no cost events. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, while you're doing it. So here's what I want to tell you. This coming up Saturday, I am having a workshop. It's called Speak and Get Paid. It's going to be awesome. It is from 10 a.m. to 12 noon here in the greater Sacramento area. I'm going to put the link after I'm done with this Facebook Live, and I would love for you to get registered for our event. You're going to walk everything I just shared. Yes, avoid freepreneurs. Absolutely, Roberta. You're absolutely going to get everything I just shared, but it's going to be in a guide. I'm going to put it all in our guide. And so I want you to be a part of it. So you want to get registered. Even if you're not local, I will be going live in a private group. So you want to register for this event. I will put the link in the group, and you'll be able to be a part of this 2-hour intro workshop that I'm going to be teaching on Speak and Get Paid. And let me share the things that we're going to cover. One is how to get your message out to the masses by having your own speaking events. 2, how to get speaking events, and how to get speaking events beyond your own. And then number 3, how to never speak for free again. Hey, so you want to be a part of this workshop happening 10 a.m. to 12 noon on Saturday. Get registered. I'll put the link in when I'm done with the Facebook Live. It's going to be a great workshop, and you don't want to miss it. So, guys, stay tuned tomorrow, same time. I think I came at 9:30, and I will be sharing our next stream of income. 9:30 Pacific time. If you are on East Coast, it's 12:30. Mountain time, I think 11:30. So you don't want to miss it. Please get registered. Tomorrow 9:30, I'll be sharing our second stream. So you want to be a part. All right, guys, you have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you soon on tomorrow. God bless.